Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add to Watchlist on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end. To add to Watchlist on Tubi's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubitv.com and make a search. The official page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Sign into your account using your login credentials and you will end up on the home page of Tubi's account. Search for a movie or series that you'd like to add on your wish list and tap on it. On the next page, scroll down and tap on Add to My List option. This is how you can add to your watch list on Tubi's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.